Second bit, find the vertex, focus, equation of axis, directrix, lotus rectum, and length of a lotus rectum of the parabola. First question, y square equals to 8x. Compare with the standard form, y square equals to 4ax. So then 4a equals to 8. From this, a equals to 2. So the first answer is vertex. So let's draw a diagram. X-axis, here y-axis. So y square equals to 8x means it is a right parabola. So its name is y square equals to 8x. So vertex means the origin is a vertex. So it is equals to 0, 0. Next, the second one is focus. Focus means fixed point. So it is equals to a, 0. So a value 2. Next, the third one is equation of a axis. Axis means by which axis the parabola was symmetric. So that means x-axis. So its equation is y equals to 0. Next, equation of a directrix. Directrix means a fixed line. It will be on the negative direction of x-axis. So then it is equals to, next to x equals to minus a value 2. So x equals to minus 2, and we can simplify x plus 2 equals to 0. Next, equation of a lotus rectum means it is a chord which is passes through a fixed point. It is called a lotus rectum. So its formula is x equals to a. So a value 2. So x equals to 2, and its simplification is x minus 2 equals to 0. Next, last one is length of a lotus rectum. So its formula is 4a. So 4 into a value 2, 4 2s are 8. Question number B, 3y square equals to 4x. Let's write in the standard form. So that is y square equals to 4x divided by 3. Now compare with the standard form. So then 4a equals to 4x divided by 3. Here 4 cancel. 4a equals to 4 by 3. 4 cancel. Then a equals to 1 by 3. Let's draw the diagram. Here x-axis, this is a y-axis. So the given question is right parabola figure. So its name is y square equals to 4x divided by 3. So here is a fixed point, that means focus, and it is a vertex, that is origin. The first one is vertex. Vertex is origin 0, 0. Second one is focus. Focus is a, 0. So then a value is 1 by 3, 0. Next, equation of a axis, that is y equals to 0 is a equation. So next to directrix, so that is fixed line. So x equals to minus a. So it is implies x equals to minus 1 by 3. So then its simplification is 3x plus 1 equals to 0. Next, equation of a lotus rectum, that is x equals to a. So here x equals to a value is 1 by 3, and its simplification is 3x minus 1 equals to 0. Next, length of a lotus rectum, that is 4a. So 4 into a value 1 by 3, so it is equals to 4 by 3. Question number C, y square equals to minus 4x. Compare with y square equals to minus 4ax. So then minus 4a equals to minus 4. Otherwise 4a equals to 4. Then it is implies a equals to 1. First one is vertex. Let's draw a diagram. X-axis, y-axis. Y square equals to minus 4x means it is a left side parabola. So its name is y square equals to minus 4x. So the vertex is origin, that is 0 comma 0, and focus is fixed point, that is minus a comma 0. So then minus 1 comma 0. Equation of a axis is same, y equals to 0 is the equation of axis. Next to fourth one is equation of a directrix, that is fixed line. A fixed line will be there on the positive direction of x-axis. So then x equals to a, but a value is 1, so its simplification is x minus 1 equals to 0. Next equation of a lotus rectum, that is x equals to minus a, but a value is 1, so its simplification is x plus 1 equals to 0. Next length of a lotus rectum, the formula is 4a, so then 4 into 1, it is equals to 4. Question number D, y square equals to minus 12x. Compare with y square equals to minus 4ax. So then 4a equals to 12. Then a value 4 ones are 4 3s are 12. So here is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So the parabola is left side parabola. So its name is y square equals to minus 12x. So first answer, so vertex, so that is origin 0 comma 0. Next to focus is minus a comma 0, so minus 3 comma 0. Equation of a axis, so that is y equals to 0. Equation of a directrix means a fixed line, it will be there on the positive direction of a on the x-axis, so that is x equals to a, but a value is 3, so x equals to 3. Next equation of a lotus rectum, so that is x equals to minus a, it is implies x equals to a value 3, so x equals to minus 3. Next length of a lotus rectum, that is 4a, so 4 into a value 3, so it is equals to 12. Question number E, 5y square equals to minus 8x. So let us convert into a standard form. Y square equals to minus 8 by 5 into x. Now compare with the standard form, y square equals to minus 4ax. So then 4a equals to 8 by 5. 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. Then a value is 2 by 5. So let's draw a diagram. X-axis. So this is y-axis. So as per the question, we will get left side parabola. So its name is y square equals to minus 8 by 5 into x. So the first answer is vertex, so that is origin 0 comma 0. Focus, so that is minus a comma 0, so minus 2 by 5 comma 0. Equation of a axis, so that is y equals to 0. Next to fourth one, equation of a directrix, that is fixed line, it will be there on the positive direction of a x-axis, so then x equals to a, but a value is 2 by 5, so x equals to 2 by 5. Equation of a lotus rectum, so that is x equals to minus a, so then x equals to minus 2 by 5. Length of a lotus rectum, the formula is 4a, so 4 into a value is 2 by 5, 4 twos are 8 by 5. Question number F, 3x square equals to 8y. Let's convert the given question to a standard form. So x square equals to 8y divided by 3. Now compare with the standard form, that is x square equals to 4ay. So then 4a equals to 8 by 3, 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, then a value is 2 by 3. So the first answer is vertex, so that is 0 comma 0. Next to focus, that means fixed point 0 comma a, so 0 comma 2 by 3. equation of axis x equals to 0. Next equation of a directrix, that is fixed line, it will be there on the negative direction of a y-axis. So y equals to minus a, then y equals to minus 2 by 3. Next equation of a lotus rectum, that is y equals to a, so then y equals to a value is 2 by 3. Length of a lotus rectum 4a, so 4 into a value 2 by 3, 4 2s are 8 by 3. Question number G, x square equals to minus y. So compare with the standard. The standard form is x square equals to minus 4ay. So then 4a equals to 1. So then a equals to 1 by 4. So here is a diagram. X-axis is a y-axis. So here x square equals to minus 4ay means here downwards parabola will get. Okay, and its name is what? X square equals to minus y. Coming to first answer, that is vertex of a parabola. So 0 comma 0. Next to focus. Focus means fixed point. So that is 0 comma minus a. So because here will be the fixed point 0 comma minus a. So 0 comma minus 1 by 4. Equation of a axis, so that is x equals to 0. Next to equation of a directrix. Directrix means it is a fixed line, it will be there on the positive direction of a on y-axis. So then x equals to a, so then x equals to a value is 1 by 4. Sorry, here y equals to a, so y equals to 1 by 4 is the equation of a directrix. Next to length of a lotus rectum, that is y equals to minus a, so it is implies y equals to a value is 1 by 4, so minus 1 by 4. Next to length of a lotus rectum, so the formula is 4a, so then 4 into a value is 1 by 4. Here 4 cancel, 1 is the length of a lotus rectum. Question number H, 3x square equals to minus 4y. Let's convert into standard form. So x square equals to minus 4y divided by 3. Now compare with the standard form. X square equals to 4ay. So then here 4a equals to 4 by, sorry, here x square equals to minus 4ay standard form. So then 4a equals to 4 by 3, then it is implies a equals to 1 by 3. Let's draw the diagram. Here x-axis, this is y-axis. Here we will get downwards parabola and its name is x square equals to minus 4y by 3. So first answer is vertex. So the vertex is 0 comma 0. Next to focus, focus is 0 comma minus a, so 0 comma minus 1 by 3. Next equation of a axis, so that is x equals to 0. Next to fourth one, equation of a directrix. So directrix means fixed line, it will be there on the above parabola. So then it is equals to y equals to a, but a value is 1 by 3, so then y equals to 1 by 3. Equation of a lotus rectum, so y equals to minus a, so then it is implies y equals to minus 1 by 3. Next length of a lotus rectum, that is 4a, so then 4 into a value is 1 by 3, so it is 4 by 3. Question number I, x square equals to minus 16y. So compare with x square equals to minus 4ay. So then here 4a equals to 16. 4 4 is 16, then a value is 4. So let's draw a diagram. X-axis and here is a y-axis. Here we will get the downwards parabola and its name is x square equals to minus 4ay. That means x square equals to minus 16y. Let's write the first answer. The first answer is vertex. The vertex is origin 0, 0 and focus is 0, minus a. So 0, minus 4. Equation of axis, so that is x equals to 0. Next equation of a directrix, this is a fixed line. Fixed line is called a directrix. Then y equals to a. So then y equals to a value is 4. Next to fifth one is equation of a lotus rectum, so that is y equals to minus a. So then y equals to a value is 4, so minus 4, y equals to minus 4. Next to sixth one, length of a lotus rectum 4a, so 4 into a value is 4, so 4 4s are 16. Third bit is find the equation of the parabola whose focus at the point 6, 0 and its directrix is x equals to minus 6. So here focus is 6, 0. So here x-axis is a y-axis. Intersection point is 0. So 6, 0 means x value 6, y value 0. So 6, 0. So that means the parabola is right side parabola. Okay, and its standard form is y square equals to 4ax. So 6, 0 nothing but compare with a, 0 because the focus is a, 0 for the y square equals to 4ax. So a, 0. So it is implies a value is 6. Next to directrix. Directrix means fixed line. It will be there on the negative direction of x-axis. So its formula is what? X equals to minus a. So that is why x equals to minus 6 compare with x equals to minus a, then a value is what? Same, 6 is the answer. A value 6. So therefore the equation of a parabola is y square equals to 4ax. So y square equals to 4 into a value 6 into x. So y square equals to 4 6 are 24x. Question number B. Focus is 0, minus 3 and directrix is y equals to 3. So x-axis, here is a y-axis. So 0, minus 3 means x coordinate 0, y coordinate minus 3. So it will be the come on the negative direction of a y-axis. So definitely the parabola is downwards. Okay. So 0, minus 3 is a focus. And what is the standard form of this parabola? X square equals to minus 4ay. Minus 4ay. So and it's a fixed point. That means focus is 0, minus 3. 0, minus a. It is implies a value is 3. Next to directrix. Directrix means fixed line. It will be there on the positive direction of y-axis. So y equals to 3 can compare with y equals to a. So it is implies a equals to 3. So therefore the equation of a parabola is x square equals to minus 4ay. So x square equals to minus 4 into a value 3. So then x square equals to minus 12y. C question. Focus is 0, minus 2 and directrix is y equals to 2. So x-axis, y-axis, 0, minus 2. X coordinate 0, y coordinate is minus 2. So here you will get the 0, minus 2. So that means the parabola is downwards and its name is x square. Its standard form is x square equals to minus 4ay. So here the given focus is 0, minus 2 compare with 0, minus a. So it is implies a equals to 2. Next to directrix means a fixed line. It will be there on the positive direction of y-axis. So y equals to 2 compare with y equals to a, so then it is implies a equals to 2. So therefore equation of a parabola is x square equals to minus 4ay, so x square equals to minus 4 a value 2 into y, x square equals to minus 8y. Fourth question, find the equation of the parabola whose focus is the point minus 2 comma 2 and directrix is the line x equals to 1. So the given focus minus 2 comma 2 compare with x1 comma y1. So then x1 equals to minus 2, y1 equals to 2. Next, the given line directrix line is x equals to 1. It is implies x minus 1 equals 0. Now compare with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So then a value is 1, b value is 0 and c value is minus 1. So we have a one formula to find out the equation of a parabola. So a value is 1, so 1 square, b value is 0, so 0 square into x minus x1. x1 is minus 2, so minus of minus plus 2, y minus y1, that is 2, it is equals to x minus 1 whole square. So 1 square is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, so then here x square plus 2 square plus 2 into x into 2, a plus b whole square formula. Here a minus b whole square formula, y square plus 2 square minus 2 into y into 2, and once again a minus b whole square formula. So x square plus 2 square, here 2 square, 2 square 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. Next to 2 2s are 4x, next to y square, next to 2 into 2, here minus 4y. Now write these all terms to left side. So minus x square minus 1 plus 2x equals to 0. So plus x square minus x square cancel. So y square 4x plus 2x is 6x minus 4y, 8 minus 1 is plus 7 equals to 0. So this is the equation of a parabola. Next question number B, find the equation of a parabola. So here the given focus is 3 comma minus 4. So compare with x1 comma y1. So then x1 is 3, y1 is minus 4. Given line is x minus y plus 5 equals 0. So compare with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So then a value is 1, b value minus 1, c value is 5. Then the formula is, so here a value 1, b value minus 1. So x minus x1, x1 is 3 plus y minus y1, y1 is minus 4, so y plus 4 whole square, it is equals to x minus y plus 5 whole square. 1 square 1 minus 1 square, it is also 1, then overall 2. Here apply the a minus b whole square formula, x square plus, next here a plus b whole square formula. So here x plus of minus y plus 5 whole square. So 2 bracket of x square, 3 square 9 minus 2 3s are 6x plus y square, 4 square is 16 plus 4 2s are 8y, and here apply the a plus b plus c whole square formula. So that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, so 2 into x into minus y. Next to 2bc, 2 into minus y into 5 plus 2ca, 2 into 5 into x. Let's multiply 2 in inside, 2x square, 2 9s are 80, here 9 plus 16 is 25, 25 2s are 50. Next to minus 12x plus 2y square plus 8 2s are 16y. So x square minus 5 whole square is plus y square 5 square is 25 minus 2xy minus 10y. 5 2s are 10x. So 2x square plus 50 minus 12x plus 2y square plus 16y. Write these all terms to left side. So minus x square minus y square minus 25 plus 2xy plus 10y minus 10x equals to 0. So here 2x square minus x square is x square, 2y square minus y square is y square. Next here plus 2xy, next minus 12x minus 10x, so it is minus 22x, 16y plus 10y, so it is 26y. Next 50 minus 25, 25, so plus 25 equals to 0. Now here we can apply the formula, that is x plus y whole square, next to plus 22x minus 26y minus 25. So this is a required equation of a parabola. Next to C bit first one, here focus is minus 4 comma 3 and directrix is x plus y minus 2 equals to 0. So then x1 equals to minus 4, y1 equals to 3. Next to the line is x plus y minus 2 equals 0. Then compare with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So then a value 1, b value 1, c value minus 2. So the formula is, so a value 1, b value 1. So next x minus x1. So x minus x1 is, so its a simplification is 2, and here a plus b whole square formula plus 2 into x into 4. Next here a minus b whole square formula, so it is equals to x plus y minus 2 can write as a plus of minus 2 whole square. So 2 bracket of x square plus 4 square is 16 plus 2 4s are 8x plus y square, 3 square is 9 minus 2 3s are 6y, and here apply the a plus b plus c whole square formula. Now multiply 2 in inside, 2x square plus 32 plus 8 2s are 16x, 2y square plus 9 2s are 18, 6 2s are 12y equals to. Now write these all terms to left side. 2x square minus x square is plus x square, 2y square minus y square is plus y square. Next here minus 2xy, next here 16x, 4x, total 20x, minus 12y plus 4y is minus 8y, 32 plus 18, 50, 50 minus 4, 46, so plus 46 equals to 0. So this is our required equation of a parabola. Second one is 2 comma 3 is a focus and directrix is same, no changes. So here 2 comma 3 compare with the point x1 comma y1. So then x1 is 2, y1 is 3, and the given line is x plus y minus 2 equals 0. So compare with ax plus by plus c equals 0. So then a value is 1, b value is 1, and c value is minus 2. Next to the formula to find out the equation of a parabola is, so now substitute the values. So a value 1, b value 1, next to x minus x1 is 2 plus y minus y1 is 3, it is equals to ax plus by plus c. So that means x plus y minus 2 whole square. So it is 2, here a minus b whole square, here also a minus b whole square formula. So it is equals to x plus y plus of minus 2 whole square. So 2 bracket of x square, 2 square 4 minus 4x plus y square 3 square 9 minus 6y, it is equals to, here apply the a plus b plus c whole square formula. So 2 bracket of x square, here 4 plus 9 is 13 minus 4x plus y square minus 6y, so it is equals to x square plus y square plus 4 plus 2xy minus 4y, next to minus 4x. Now 2 multiply inside, 2x square 2 3 is 6 minus 8x, 2y square minus 2 6 are 12y, and write these all terms left side. So minus x square minus y square minus 4 minus 2xy plus 4y plus 4x equals to 0. So here 2x square minus x square is x square, next to 2y square minus y square is plus y square, next here minus 2xy minus 8x plus 4x is minus 4x, next minus 12y plus 4y is minus 8y, next 6 minus 4 is plus 2 equals to 0. Sorry, here 13 2s are 26, but I return 6, 26. Now 26 minus 4 is 22. So x square plus y square minus 2xy minus 4x minus 8y plus 22 equals 0 is our required answer. Next to D question, find the equation of the parabola whose focus is 2 comma minus 3 and directrix is 3x minus 4y plus 16 equals to 0. So here x1 is 2, y1 is minus 3. So then here a value is 3, b value is minus 4, b value minus 4, c value 16. So now the formula is, so a value 3 square, b value minus 4 whole square, next to x minus x1, x1 is 2 plus y minus y1, so y plus 3 whole square, so 3x minus 4y plus 16 whole square, 3 square 9 minus 4 whole square 16, 9 plus 16 is 25. Here apply the a minus b whole square, here a plus b whole square formula. So 3x plus of minus 4y plus 16 whole square. 2 square is 4 minus 4x plus y square. 3 square is 9 plus 2 3s are 6y equals to, here a plus b plus c whole square formula. Now 25 multiply inside, 25x square, 25 4s are 100, so minus 100x plus 25 y square, 25 9s are 225 plus 25 6s are 150 y, 3x whole square is 9x square, next to minus 4y whole square is 16y square, next to 16 square is 256, next to minus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, so 24xy, next to 2 into minus 4 is minus, so total minus 128y, next to 2 into 16 into 3, 96x, so 25x square, 100 plus 225 is 325, next to minus 100x plus 25y square plus 150y, and write these all terms to left side. So minus 9x square, 25x square minus 9x square is 16x square, next to 25y square minus 16y square is plus 9y square, next here 24xy plus 24xy, minus 100x minus 96x minus 196x, 150y, next to 128y, 150y, 128y, 278y, next to 325, and here minus 256. It is equals to 0. So this is our required equation of a parabola. Question number E. Find the equation to the parabola whose focus is 3, 4 and directrix is 3x plus y minus 8 equals to 0. The focus 3, 4 is comparing with x1, y1. So then x1 is 3, y1 is 4. Next to the given line compare with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So then a value 3, b value 1, c value minus 8. Now the formula is, so a square, a value 3 plus b value 1 into x minus x1. So x minus x1 value 3 plus y minus y1, y1 value is 4. It is equals to 3x plus y minus 8 whole square. 3 square is 9, 1 square 1, so 10, bracket of here a minus b whole square, here also a minus b whole square formula. So 3x plus y minus 8 I am writing as a plus of minus 8 whole square. So 10 bracket of x square plus 3 square is 9 minus 2 3 are 6x plus y square, 4 square is 16 minus 4 2 are 8y equals to here a plus b plus c whole square formula. So 10 bracket of x square plus 9 plus 16 is 25 minus 6x plus y square minus 8y equals to 3x whole square is 9x square, y square minus 8 whole square is plus 64, 2 3s are 6xy. Next minus 2 into minus 8 is minus 16y, 2 into minus 8 is 2 into minus 8 minus 16 into 3, so minus 48x. Now multiply 10 inside, 10x square plus 250 minus 60x plus 10y square minus 80y. Now write these all terms to left side. So minus 9x square minus y square minus 64 minus 6xy plus 16y plus 48x equals to 0. 10x square minus 9x square is just x square, 10y square minus y square is plus 9y square. Next to here minus 6xy, next to minus 60x plus 48x is minus 12x minus 80y plus 16y minus 64y. Next to 250 minus 64 is plus 186 equals to 0. So this is our required equation of a parabola. Next second question, 2x minus 3y plus 4 equals to 0. Focus is same, no changes, but directrix is changed. Second one. So first focus 3 4 compare with x1 y1. So now the formula is a square plus b square bracket of, so a value 2, b value is minus 3, next to x minus x1 that is 3 plus y minus y1 that is 4, it is equals to ax plus by plus c 2x minus 3y plus 4 whole square. So here 2 square 4 minus 3 whole square 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, bracket of a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square. So 2x plus of minus 3y plus 4 whole square. So 13 bracket of x square, here 3 square 9, 4 square 16, so total 25 minus 6x plus y square minus 8y equals to, here a plus b plus c whole square formula. So 13 multiplying inside 13x square, 13 into 25. Now write these all terms to left side. So 13x square 325, so minus 4x square minus 9y square minus 16 plus 12xy plus 24y minus 16x equals to 0. So 13x square minus 4x square is 9x square. Next to 13y square minus 9y square is plus 4y square. Next to 12xy plus 12xy. Next to minus 78x minus 16x minus 94x. Next to minus 104y plus 24y. So it is minus 80y. Next to constant number 325 minus 16. So it is plus 309 equals to 0. So it is our required equation of a parabola. Question number F. Find the equation to the parabola with the focus is 5, 0 and directrix is x plus y plus 1 equals to 0 and c equals to 1. So now the required formula is, so here a value 1, b value 1, next to x minus x1 that is 5 plus y minus y1 that is 0, it is equals to x plus y plus 1 whole square. Here total 2 is the answer, x minus 5 whole square, y minus 0 is y, so y square, it is equals to, so 2 bracket of x minus 5 whole square is x square plus 5 square minus 2 into x into 5 plus y square equals to, so now 2 is multiplying, so 2 multiplying inside 2x square, 2 into 25 50 minus 20x plus 2y square, write all terms to left side, minus 1 minus 2xy minus 2y minus 2x equals to 0. 2x square minus x square is x square, 2y square minus y square is plus y square, here minus 2xy minus 20x minus 2x minus 22x, next to minus 2y, 50 minus 1 49, so plus 49 equals to 0. So this is our required equation of a parabola. Question number G. Find the equation to the parabola whose focus is minus 1, 2 and directrix is 3x minus 4y plus 5 equals to 0. So the given focus is minus 1, 2, it is equals to x1, y1. So x1 is minus 1, y1 is 2. Next the given line is 3x minus 4y plus 5 equals to 0. So compare with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So then a value is 3, b value is minus 4 and c value is 5. Now the required formula is a square plus b square bracket of, so a value is 3 square, b value is minus 4 whole square bracket of x minus x1 is plus 1 whole square, y minus y1 2 whole square. Now 3x minus 4y plus 5 equals to 5 whole square. 3 square 9 minus 4 whole square 16, total 25. Here a plus b whole square, here a minus b whole square formula. So it is equals to 3x plus of minus 4y plus of minus 4y plus 5 whole square. So x square 1 square is 1, next to plus 2x plus y square, 2 square is 4 minus 4y equals to here a plus b plus c whole square formula. So 25 bracket of x square, here 4 plus 1 5 plus 2x plus y square, 3x whole square is 9x square, 16 y square, 25, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, so minus 24xy, 2 into minus 4 minus 8, minus 8 into 5. Now 25 multiply inside, 25x square, 25 into 5 125, 25 into 2 50x plus 25y square minus 25 into 4 is 100y, and write these all terms to left side. Sorry, it is not 0. Minus 9x square. So 25x square minus 9x square is 16x square. 25y square minus 16y square is 9y square. Next here 24xy, so plus 24xy. 50x minus 30x is plus 20x. Minus 100y plus 40y is minus 60y. 125 minus 25 is 100 equals to 0. So it is our required equation of a parabola. Fifth question, find the coordinates of a point on the parabola y square equals to 18x such that the coordinate is equal to 3 times the abscissa. Let's draw a diagram. X-axis, this is a y-axis. Y square equals to 18x means it's a right side parabola. Its name is y square equals to 18x. Now ordinate is equal to 3 times the abscissa. For example, ordinate abscissa means x coordinate is called abscissa, y coordinate is called a ordinate. So first abscissa I am selecting as a x. Now ordinate will become 3 times the abscissa, that means 3 into x. So 3 into x. So this point will be there on the parabola. So x comma 3x. So now the point x comma 3x lies on parabola, that is y square equals to 18x. So that means substitute x coordinate as a x itself, y coordinate as a 3x. Then y square equals to 18x is a given parabola. So 3x whole square equals to 18 into x value is what? X itself. So 9x square equals to 18x. So next 9x square equals to 18x, here x square cancel, then x equals to 18 by 9, 9 ones are 9 twos are, x value 2. So therefore the required point is, what is the point? X comma 3x. So then x value 2, 3 into 2 is 6. So 2 comma 6 is the required answer.